Morning, everybody. We're out here at an undisclosed location doing a little bit of socket fusion on some gas pipe. Notice there's not a lot of videos out there in YouTube world, so yeah, enjoy. So we're going to start with, this is an 1.5 PT riser. We're going to be fusing a coupling onto an 1.5 inch, using our iron to fuse the two joints together, and then we'll be fusing the pipe to it that's in the trench. We've got a trench depth of about 36 inches. Our iron is hooked up to our generator and it's up to temperature right now at 500 degrees. So I'm going to go through the process of prepping the pipe and then we'll fuse it. So you have what's called a reamer. This is going to basically bevel the end of your pipe. It's also going to set the depth of your pipe for how deep into the iron it goes. So I usually will start by cleaning it, then putting it back onto the pipe. So I'll press that to the end, press my cold clamp against it, then I'll clamp down. Then, at that point, we're going to clean the pipe so it gets good adhesion to the coupling. So depending on the size of pipe you're fusing, there's different what are called heat soak times. So on 2-inch, it's going to be 14 to 18 seconds. So I've just got on my watch right now, I'll just count the seconds as it's heating. It also pretty much coincides with, once the coupling and the pipe are fully seated, it ends up being about 14 to 18 seconds if you're pressing with good pressure. Pressing quickly all the way to the pull clamp and holding pressure until it starts to set. Alright, so we've got the coupling fused. We've now got a portion of the pipe out of the trench to aid in the fusion process. So the idea is we want everything to be as straight as possible so that it enters the sockets of the iron as straight as possible and you get a clean fuse. So we've done that. Now we're going to cut this pipe, give it a clean, fresh cut, and then do the same process. So the clamp is a little loose, so I'm going to tighten it down a little bit more so it doesn't funky. So as you can see, the timing is pretty quick. You got to be quick and accurate. It started to fall off of me there, but I just got it in before it started to set up. So this is an overview of the gas line. This trench depth is approximately 3 feet. Code would state you only need 18 inches, but I like to not take any chances when we're dealing with gas. We've got a gas gauge on here. It's currently pumped up to 15 pounds, but again, if you were going per code, the test pressure would only need to be 1.5 times the operating pressure. In that case, it would be 1.5 pounds if the operating pressure will be 1/2 psi or even 1/4 psi. We've got that. We've got our yellow tracer wire in, which is also a code required item. This particular gas line is going to be in the pool equipment area. It's serving a pool heater, which will be about 400,000 BTUs. So it's an 1.5-inch gas line. As we mentioned earlier, it's approximately 70 feet from that point that was started at. That'll be at the gas meter, so it's a direct feed off the gas meter. This will, in the city of Peoria, this will get shaded after it's inspected and passed, and then it'll get backfilled, and then all the pool equipment gets put in, and the gas heater gets hooked up. So that's it for now, and till the next video.